Have you ever walked into a luxury hotel lobby and immediately noticed something? The place smells incredible, fresh, calm, almost luxurious. And the interesting thing is, almost every luxury hotel has its own unique smell. You might not consciously notice it, but the moment you walk in, your brain registers it instantly. That scent is not accidental, it's actually designed very carefully. Today, I want to show you why hotel smells the way they do and how you can recreate that same experience inside of your own home. The real reason why hotels smell so good. Luxury hotels use something called as scent marketing. This means they intentionally design a fragrance that becomes a part of their hotel's identity, just like the architecture, the lighting, or the music in the lobby. Many hotels even develop what's called a signature scent, a custom fragrance blend that is created specifically for their own brand. So when the guests walk into the space, that smell becomes a part of their memory of the hotel. And the next time they smell something similar, they immediately remember that place. Now, let's talk about why smell is so powerful. The reason this works so well is because smell is deeply connected to the brain. Our sense of smell links directly to the limbic system, which is the part of the brain that is responsible for emotions and memories. That's why certain smells can instantly remind you of a place, maybe a childhood home, a holiday, or even a hotel you stayed in years ago. Hotels use fragrances because it can make the guests feel relaxed, comfortable, welcomed within seconds of entering the space. What hotel fragrances usually smell like? Most luxury hotels choose fragrance notes that feel clean, calming, and sophisticated. Common scent notes include citrus, white tea, sandalwood, jasmine, lavender, vetiver, patchouli. These scents create a feeling of freshness and elegance without becoming overpowering. Because the goal is to not make the hotel smell like a perfume, the goal is to create an atmosphere, something you notice subtly when you enter the space. How hotels spread their fragrance. Another interesting thing is about how hotels distribute their scents. Most luxury hotels don't rely on candles or sprays. Instead, they use professional scent diffusion systems. These systems connect to the building's air circulation and distribute fragrances evenly throughout the lobbies and the hallways. This keeps the scent consistent throughout the space. But the key principle is always the same. The fragrance must remain subtle and balanced. Now, let's talk about the philosophy behind a good fragrance. One of the most fascinating things about a well designed fragrance is that it must almost feel invisible. You notice it when you first enter the space, but after a few minutes, it becomes a part of the atmosphere. And that is the difference between a strong smell and a good scent design. Strong smell overwhelms a room. Good scent design quietly transforms how the space feels. Can you recreate this at home? Absolutely. Now, here's the interesting part. You don't need a luxury hotel scent system to recreate this entire experience. You can actually create the same layered fragrance environment at home using three simple fragrance tools. Step 1, continuous fragrance. Reed diffusers. Hotels maintain a constant background scent. At home, the closest equivalent to that is a reed diffuser. Reed diffusers slowly release fragrances throughout the day using capillary action through the reeds. This creates a continuous fragrance atmosphere in the room. They work beautifully in spaces like living rooms, entryways, bedrooms, offices. This is the foundation of a well scented home. Step 2, atmosphere movements, scented candles. Candles create a completely different experience. When the wax melts, the fragrance oils evaporate into the air, creating a stronger scent room. But candles also do something else too. They create ambience. The soft glow of a candle immediately changes how a room feels. That's why candles are perfect for evenings, relaxation, slow moments at home. Step 3, instant freshness. Room sprays. Room sprays work instantly. If guests are coming or you want to quickly refresh a room spray can immediately change the atmosphere. They are perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, entryways, a quick refresh moments. Why we designed Sosa fragrances this way? When designing fragrances for Sosa Home and Body, this idea of scent atmosphere was actually a big inspiration. Many home fragrances products today focus on creating very strong smells immediately, but inside closed spaces like home, strong fragrances can sometimes feel overwhelming. Instead, the idea behind Sosa fragrances is to create scents that feel balanced and breathable, fragrances that blend into the space, something you notice when you walk into the room, not something that dominates the air. The goal isn't to make your home smell like a perfume. The goal is to make the space feel clean, calm, and inviting. Once you understand how hotels design fragrance experiences, you start thinking about scents differently. It's not about removing bad smells, it's about shaping the atmosphere of the space you live in. And when fragrance is designed well, it can completely transform how a room feels. If you're curious to explore the reed diffusers, the scented candles, and the room sprays we create at Sosa Home and Body, you can check them out at our website. And if you'd like to learn more about fragrance science and home scenting, let me know in the comments.